So today's an early start. It's the production rehearsals for the Garage Symphony tour. And I'm getting up early to make sure we're going to freshen up. I'm going to give myself a little trim, go see my hairdresser before heading up to Barnsley for rehearsal. I start to take a bit more pride in my skincare routine. And one thing I never do is leave the house without breakfast.
You think Jeff will fall like you?
It's then about an hour's travel up north towards Barnsley, where we meet at the venue, which is actually owned by the sound engineer. So production rehearsals is quite a long day, and we actually got here about 12 o'clock. And when we started setting up, we're here till about 9 o'clock in the evening. We're not playing the entire time, we're just trying to make sure that the stage plot's working and that we can fit 14 people on stage and it looks good. We're also checking out that playback for music and video is synced up and working with the video wall. We're checking that everyone's individual IEM mixes is good and everyone's happy with what they're hearing on stage. And then we're going to, some of that time we were rehearsing or checking out certain parts, so we may just want to just do drums and bass, we may just want to do track and vocals. So we're trying to make sure that everybody is happy with the actual set and feeling comfortable on stage.
Bro, just go announce it. I guess that's what really is. But literally all he said is like, whenever there's like a drum show or a bass or like, I mean, just go in there and just talk to the company. It's the relationship that you got to do, you know what I mean?
For this gig I'm running synth bass and I'm running live bass. This is my main bass. I've had this probably 10 years now. This is my main bass. I love this bass. And I've got a little pedal board going. I actually changed this the next day, but I've got my preamp pedal which has got my DI coming straight out of it. Compressor's always on, and then I've got an octave. And then I run my synth bass through that overdrive. Also, that is the world's noisiest haze machine. Okay, so next day is show day and loading's about 9 PM. We're getting there a little bit early just to get some food before heading over to the venue. know, I do lots of gigs and I see loads of venues, and I always love going to see what equipment they've got installed, what are they using, what fixtures, what PA, what mixing desk. Just out of curiosity, really. You tell the people in the Syrian? Mark out here. Got the DJ stand. He's troubleshooting the video wall right now. We've got P. Networking constantly. Yeah, how you doing, bro?
What's going on the documentary?
What's going on the documentary? Sorry, if you're not, you can opt out though. You can opt out. You can always put it in the in my email.
Yeah.
How you doing, bro? Sorry, man. Never met you, but I'm filming you. Sorry, man.
Did you look at it or?
No. That's good, man. You good, man.
Have you done quite a bit of work with High Shoes?
Got mics.
Sorry?
Have you done quite a bit of work
Guy
with
that
High
brought
Shoes?
us in on this whole show.
This week, no, it's the first ever gig I've done.
Shit,
Yeah.
nice.
If
Oh,
you've
they're
done
so much
stuff.
fun.
Yeah.
Yeah,
just
I first started
going over his lines. And then we have the lovely duo over here, star of the shows, Georgie and Olivia. Unsung hero. Don't know your name yet. And then it's time to pat down. So there's a little mistake in the first song, and what I think happened from what I could hear was the drummer stopped before the cue, and which made me stop before the cue, which then signaled to the singer to come in earlier. But luckily I had a God mic, well, my MD mic, and I was able just to tell the other singer, wait for the next cue, and so we're going to come in a bar late. Or it's going to seem like we're going to come in a bar late, but we're really going to come back in on time. But we were a bar early, if that makes sense. But yeah, it worked out all right. Mistakes happen, that's how it goes. Show must go on.